This is Austin Eldridge. Today we're going to look at a Python program I wrote with SQLite 3 that's intended to create and update a database to work in tandem with the neural network that I created earlier to find the most successful genetics and compare them together. So we can just save, for now you can just save any entity into this database, but eventually I intend for it to be able to take the surviving entities of multiple generations and compare them to other surviving entities to find the most resilient one. So this program was written using SQLite 3. It's just in VS Code. It has 5 different commands in this user interface you can see down here. We can show all the entities within the database, add entities to the database, remove entities from the database, change entities information, and just quote from the program. It saves the genetics database in the same folder as the program is run into. So you'd have to change the path within the code if you wanted to use it somewhere else, but let's show a presentation. So to show all the entities in the database, I have a few in here right now, just test entities. So you see we have test 1, test 2, and test 3. They all have their corresponding input traits and output traits as 1, 2, and 3. If we wanted to add an entity to the database, I'm going to add an entity named test4, and we'll give him an input trait of 4 and an output trait of 4. As you can see, if we show these entities, we now have test4 within the database. I'm going to remove him now, so test4 is his name, and remove test4 from the database. If we print out all the entities, he's no longer in there. And then we have change entities information. So I'm going to change test2's information. Let's make the entity name into test10. Why not? Sweet. So we changed test2 to test10. Now if we show this, we have test1, test10, and test3. Let's change test10's input trait to 10. And let's change test10's output trait to 10. Now if we look at it, we have all the corresponding information. So that's my SQL database program. Eventually I'd like to integrate this into the neural net to be able to run multiple sets with multiple different requirements. But yeah, thank you for watching.